Hey guys, the Rage here. So I want to do a quick unboxing for you guys for this soap dispenser that I just got from Isoler soap dispenser. So without further ado, let me show you guys and flip my camera here and let's get to unpacking this. I'm trying to do it with one hand, but hold on a second. There you go. I needed to use, so we have the actual dispenser, and we got the stainless steel collar. Comes with everything you need to install. Then you have the hose, and one of the reasons why I like this one, you don't have containers to refill when, once it runs low and it's a small container. This goes directly, and I mean directly, into the soap bottle. Like, say you get own dishwash soap, whatever it is, it goes directly there. And you put this in there, you take your bottle, put that one in there, or if it needs a bigger one, comes with two sizes, and then even this rubber one over here. So you have 3 different choices for every size soap bottle out there. Comes some nice things to keep all your lines lined up. Little filter thing that goes in the bottom, so it doesn't bring any residue. It has a little filter inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, and a long hose. So they have a couple versions, and I chose the one with the long hose because I need to be able to sit in the bottom of the sink. So it's pretty long. It's about maybe 3-4 feet long, so it's pretty long. And that goes through easily through over here, and then you put it at the bottom of the bottle, and that's it. And the button itself, not the button, the dispenser itself, is what bags are, I think. So it's right here. Just same good quality spring and everything, and little nozzle. So we got 2 of this. One's gonna be for hand soap, the other one's for dish soap. So we just gotta remember which is which, all the time. But yeah, it should look really nice in our new kitchen. Once I have everything installed, I'll show you guys how it works. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. Comes with instructions from, see, that's the brand, Etoolcity. And that's how it goes, right there. That's the reason why we got the long one. So, you can sit in the bottom. You make sure you get the proper length. I figure long, you can always trim it if you need to, the tube. But that's about it. Very simple to install, very simple to use. Take care, guys. Bye.